Once upon a time, nestled deep in the northwestern part of Peru, there existed an area with a rich history, where the Vilcanota/Urubamba River flowed gracefully for 60 miles, winding its way through the breathtaking landscape surrounding Machu Picchu. This land was not only known for its natural beauty but also for its hidden treasures. Vast amounts of gold lay buried beneath the riverbed. Pichu Rio Gold S.A., PRG, was a company with a vision, a 99% owned subsidiary of Peru-based Pichu Rio Gold Mining Company, PRGMC. It aimed to mine this golden treasure. The river's potential was enormous, spanning an astonishing 28 million hectares, with over 2 million tons of gold reserves and 1 million tons of inventory lying beneath its waters. However, challenges loomed over this seemingly golden opportunity. The river, surrounded by high mountains, was also home to waterfalls that held significant potential for hydroelectric power generation. The indigenous people, the Incas, held deep respect for these waterfalls, considering them sacred and off-limits to outsiders. PRG faced a dilemma. While they had the license to mine the gold, they sought to preserve the harmony with the Inca tribe, with whom they had forged strong ties over the past decade. Through their non-profit arm, the PRG group had been providing medical aid, essential supplies, and education to the Inca villages. They knew that respect for the Inca culture was paramount. To make the most of this unique situation, PRG collaborated with a pioneering technology company, Avametal. They explored the idea of utilizing cutting-edge materials for renewable energy generation, graphene-enhanced carbon fiber reinforced polymer, CFRP, materials. The breakthrough came when Avametal unveiled graphene-enhanced water turbines, engineered to be 1,000 times lighter than traditional steel turbines. This development meant that the turbines could be transported with ease to the remote mountain areas, where the waterfalls held immense untapped potential for hydroelectric power generation. Furthermore, the invention extended to wind power as well. Graphene-enhanced composite materials were utilized for constructing windmill blades, making them lighter, more efficient, and responsive to varying wind conditions. This innovative approach reduced the size of windmill towers and increased overall energy generation efficiency. Excitement rippled through the region as the technology promised a renewable energy revolution. The Inca villagers saw the possibilities that lay before them. With abundant electricity from the waterfalls, they could establish factories producing dried food, which would open up new trade possibilities for their bananas and oranges, previously hindered by poor logistics. But that wasn't all. The waterfalls, once considered sacred and untouched, would now play a vital role in supplying clean water to the people of the city and farms for agriculture. Graphene water filters, a marvel of modern engineering, were introduced to purify the water from the waterfalls. As a result, the once untouchable waterways were now a source of life for the communities, nourishing their crops and quenching the thirst of the city dwellers. The Inca tribe, with its deep spiritual connection to the land, was impressed with PRG's commitment to preserving their sacred waterfalls and culture. In exchange for the energy generation projects, PRG agreed to set up small generators with water treatment systems, ensuring that the waterways remained uncontaminated. With the renewable energy projects in full swing, the region flourished. The Inca villages now had access to electricity, transforming their lives and allowing them to focus on education, healthcare, and sustainable development. PRG's goodwill towards the indigenous people only strengthened, as they worked together to protect the environment and the heritage of the past. As word of the success spread, other mining and energy companies took notice. The model of cooperation between PRG and the Inca tribe became an inspiring example of how economic growth and renewable energy could coexist harmoniously, respecting local cultures and the environment. In the end, it wasn't just gold that was mined from the Vilcanota/Urubamba River, it was the spirit of innovation, respect, and collaboration that flowed through the hearts of all involved. The world learned that when technology and tradition join hands, a brighter, more sustainable future emerges for all. And so, the story of the Pichu Rio Gold S.A. Company and the Inca tribe became a beacon of hope and inspiration for generations to come.